This is how you get 69th place in Battle Royale Fortnite Zero build mode. First off, you have to jump out of the battle bus. Once you do that, you'll fly into the closest town or area that has guns and materials. Once you do so, you will pick up a weapon and you'll have to murder whatever the other opponent is on the other side of you. After that, you are going to start to look for some guns. You might have to end up crouching and hiding in a building just in case there are some extra footsteps. But once you end up finding the person, you will then kill them on the spot with a gun in Fortnite. After that, you'll pick up all the loot and anything else that is theirs and go about your day, having to loot other areas and pick up more ammos and guns and other things such as potential med kits, maybe a slurp juice or a chug jug. From there, you're gonna have to keep on going to the next neighboring town. You might want to tell the lobby that you need some ammo so that way you can end up winning this battle royale. But in reality, nobody answers you. So the sad reality is once you get to 69th, you find somebody and let them kill you. And that is how you get 69th.